Right, so I bought this extreme portable SSD card because I needed one, and all my other hard drives, external hard drives, are just jammed full of stuff. So I'm going to be taking this one to Europe. So we're going to go ahead and open it up. It's got some tape on this end. Bought this at Costco for, I think it was $100, which was a rip-off. I could have got a better one, but it's SanDisk, and you got to pay a premium for those goofballs. There it is, though. It's nice and small. I like that. Wow. So solid state drive, SSD, baby. That's the only way to go. If you don't go SSD, then you're, I don't know what to tell you. You got to go SSD. I have solid state drives in all of my computers. Much faster, much faster. Free download. There's some information. And it does come with USB-C, and it's got one of those things. And it's got a little clip on it, so you can clip it onto your, I guess, I don't know, your belt. I guess you could clip it on your belt like that, right? Yeah. All right, so there it is. And there's your port, C drive. But I'm going to be putting stuff off my Apple on this. So it's going to come off, so I can use, I've got a Final Cut, I've got a desktop, Apple, and I've got a laptop, so this should come in handy. I'm going to use this in Italy and Europe and Spain, France. See if I can get a whole terabyte of video on here. So anyway, this comes with this really short C to C USB-C drives, right? But they give you this traditional one, and guess what? There you go. Now you can use that. You don't get a lightning connector with it, which I could use. But I've got a USB-C lightning, or I've got a regular USB lightning, so I should be good. And I think this is going to be exactly what I need. You plug it in like this, but guys, check it out. Bam. And then you can hook this to your computer. But I'll be using this because I've got a MacBook Pro latest edition. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Check out my other awesome videos. Peace out.